Hey guys, Dominique again. I am the lead catalog and inventory manager here at Sunken Stone, and today we are getting a little bit more in depth on what are the benefits of an Amazon inventory strategy. By investing in an Amazon inventory management strategy, your business will be able to do a few things. One, consistently make sales while maintaining your current customers and attracting new customers. If you have the inventory to support orders, you'll be able to stay in stock and you'll be less likely to disappoint a new customer. Two, an inventory strategy can help you mitigate loss, theft, and even product amount errors, whether that be in your warehouse, a third party, or inside of Amazon itself. Three, you will more confidently project inventory needs, which will help decrease the price to store products because you'll be sending in less units, or decrease the money lost on unsold goods since you will not be overstocking product. Four, a robust strategy will help you to avoid expiration date issues. We've seen many people fall to the expiration date gods. If you are prepared, you're much more likely to reduce the number of lost products due to unsellable goods. Thank you for watching this quick video on some top tier benefits to an Amazon inventory strategy. Please be sure to like and subscribe below, and then also pick up a copy of the Ultimate Amazon Playbook. In the next video, we will be talking about why an Amazon inventory strategy is an investment in your brand.